Ghostly Nightmare here, and today I got something off of Amazon, and we're gonna open it. So, oh, what's wrong with this thing? Whatever. Now it's two. Okay, so some of you guys might hate Fortnite, but personally I like it. So, without further ado, this now looks good. Fortnite Nerf. Try not to ruin the box. So don't want to ruin the box. Okay. Jesus thing. Then one more. Okay. Nice. And it also comes with bullets. So that's a good thing. I think it comes with like 20 or something. Something like 20. Something. Okay, so I like these. I like the bullet colors. Purple and blue. Does it sound good to you? See. I think it said 20 bullets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, 20. Okay, time to get the clip out. Yeah, could have done it that way too. This ain't bad. Looks like it could hold more than 10 though. It really does. Oh, that's cool. It's got a little llama. Llama on it. This gun's kind of heavy, to be honest. Kind of heavy. flood this thing up. One, two, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. So I need to put 2 more in. What would happen if I try to put 11 in? What would happen? Can't. Wouldn't even let me put it down. Came with the instructions, so. Whatever. Something wrong? No. I think it's gotta have batteries. Okay. Yeah, it needs batteries. Let's see. Either said AAA or AA. I hope it's AA. 4 AA's. Okay, so I will be back. Alright, so I am back. Alright, so. Okay. So. 4 AA. What on earth? There. And then the last one. And then tighten it back up. Okay, it's tighten and see. Hold on. It's not firing. It's got ammo in it. I mean, yeah, it's got ammo and batteries. Do I need to cock it or something? I don't know. It doesn't show anything about anywhere. No. Where do I cock it? I don't. Like, do I have to cock it or something? Don't. Is it not all the way in? It's all the way in. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna set up my phone. Yes, I'm recording on a phone. Yeah. So, this is the Fortnite Nerf gun. Fortnite assault rifle. Not bad. Good size. Wonder if somebody would try to hold one of these, like holding the grip or the clip. What's wrong with it? I mean, oh yeah, these fall down in case you don't need a sight, but I like it like this because it more. I think that's how it is in the game. What's this? There's a little button. This is the trigger, but you gotta hold this down and then. What's this button? Oh, that's. Oh. Really? Okay, whatever. Ow. I gotta find that. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Don't understand what to do. Oh yeah, you can see there's got like a now it's wanting to be able to shoot, but I don't got the clip in. Let's see. This is neat. This is neat. That's probably because of that. Just like in the real game. Have to shoot it like. It's not like the burst. It's not like the burst assault rifle. I think we should do it again. Yeah, it's out. It is out. That was cool. Alrighty. Got put it in backwards. Don't need that. Don't need to put it in backward. Okay. Let's do that again. Yeah, like this a lot. So, out of 10, 0 to 10, I think I rate this about a 7. So, A lot of fun. Good for Nerf wars. Two bad things about it. Actually, three. Costs a lot of money. Doesn't hold much in the clip. I forgot what the other one was. Oh yeah. Need 4 AA batteries. At least not AAA. That would suck. Yeah. Got great detail. See, they put some dents on the side. Some of these. Stuff like this up here. Yeah. Pretty nice. So yeah. Ghostly Nightmare here. Make sure to subscribe and like. Bye.